Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change oil Audi A6C7. Start by warming the engine for a few minutes, then secure the car on jack stands and disconnect the negative battery cable. Position an oil pan under the drain plug, loosen the plug carefully, and let oil drain fully. Replace the oil filter, reinstall the drain plug with the correct torque, and refill with the specified oil amount while checking the level. Prepare all tools and parts before you start to keep the job efficient and safe. I recommend the correct oil grade and quantity from your owner manual, an OEM or trusted filter, a torque wrench for the drain plug, and jack stands for stability. Keep rags and gloves nearby for cleanliness. Laying everything out on a tray prevents delays and ensures you won't forget any crucial step during the change. If you are finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like the video to support more content. Quick recommendation: the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum is a handy way to keep your workspace tidy while you tackle maintenance, and it even has voice control for hands-free cleaning. It's a small tool that saves time between jobs. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Follow a clear sequence to avoid mistakes and save time while you work on your Audi A6C7. Loosen the drain plug and let the oil empty completely, then swap the filter, making sure the gasket seats properly. Reinstall and torque the drain plug, add the correct oil volume, and run the engine briefly to circulate oil and check for leaks. Finish by confirming the level on the dipstick and cleaning the work area.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.